Hi, I'm David Willett, Sales Manager at Soucy Plastics. I'm here today to talk to you about a new product made by Soucy. We listened to many OEMs and many end users, and we found out that on the closing wheel, most of the time there was delimitation issues with the existing rubber. So we decided to use our existing technologies, which is molding UHMW and rubber, and therefore the end product is a one-piece product. So there is no more rubber delamination on it. In the meantime, there is no maintenance required. It's a single piece, so no assembly required too when you want to install or exchange any components on your product for whatever reason. And there is also very few mud packing because of the UHMW properties. If you want to have any more information, you can visit our website.